Welcome back to Excel Remix. So in this video we will discuss how to merge and combine cells in Excel. So let's begin. Select the cells that you want to merge. On the Home tab, click on the Merge and Center button. Now you can see the selected cells are merged into one cell and the text is centered. There are other options of the Merge and Center feature. Just click the little drop down arrow and select the option you want. Merge across, merge cells, unmerge cells. There are shortcut keys to merge and center: Alt, H, M and C. To unmerge cells, press Alt, H, M and U. So this is the simple method to merge and unmerge cells in Excel. For more informative videos about Excel, subscribe to my YouTube channel.